Hi everyone, this is Krishna Rao, Maths IIT faculty. Now we have to discuss about the sets its problems. First one is let P is equal to set of theta such that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta, and Q is equal to theta such that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. We two sets them. First option is P is subset of Q and Q minus P is not equal to pi, and second option is Q is not a subset of P, and third option is P is not subset of Q, and fourth option is P is equal to Q. Now see here P is equal to sin theta minus cos theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Now what we have to do here, we have to divide by either side root 2, then 1 by root 2 sin theta here minus 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to cos theta. Here we know that 1 by root 2 instead of we have to write cos pi by 4. Here cos pi by 4 sin theta minus here sin pi by 4 cos theta is equal to cos theta. Here this one is here, you have to see here sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Then sin A minus B formula. Sin theta minus pi by 4. Here this cos theta instead of you have to write sin 90 minus theta. Then sin both side cancel means here theta minus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. Now this theta side this side and pi by 4 side that side. Here 2 theta is equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 8. Now we have to see here second one is Q. Q is equal to sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Then here also same we have to divide by root either side, then 1 by root 2 sin theta plus 1 by root 2 cos theta is equal to sin theta. Now this 1 by root 2 instead of I have to take sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 into sin theta, this 1 by root 2 instead of cos pi by 4 cos theta is equal to sin theta. Now we have to see this formula is a cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to cos A minus B cos theta minus pi by 4 is equal to sin theta. Now this sin theta instead of I will take here cos 90 minus theta. Then here either side cos cancel, here theta minus pi by 4, here pi by 2 minus theta. Here also same, that's why directly we have to write theta is equal to 3 pi by 8. Then P is equal to Q. This is the fourth option. It's my second question is if x and y are two sets, then x intersection x union y hold as equals. Here see here x intersection x union y hold as is rewrite as x. This is also rewrite as x intersection y dash. Now this is we have to apply associative law. Then x intersection x dash intersection y dash. This x intersection x dash is equal to pi. Pi intersection y dash is equal to pi. This answer is option 3. This is the okay. Next my question is select S is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of ordered pairs of disjoint subsets of S is equal. Here S is equal to the number of elements S of M of S is equal to 4 elements. Here 4 destructive elements means here one is possible, 2, 3, 4. Here number of subsets. Here different disjoint subset. Disjoint subsets is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2 also 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 3 means here 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. This like total each one is 3, 3, 3, 3. Then it is write as 3 to the power of 4 plus 1 by 2. 3 to the power of 4 means 81 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 82 by 2 is equal to 41. Then it's my option is 4. Okay, next my question. In a college of 300 students, in a college of total 300 students, every student reads 5 newspapers and every newspaper is read by 60 students. The number of newspapers is here total 300 students. Here every students read 5 newspapers. Every students read 5 newspapers. Total number of newspapers this is. Here, next one is every newspaper read by 60 students. Every newspaper also read by 60 students. Here, number of newspapers is equal to here n. Then here n is equal to 300 into 5 by 60. Here 0 0 cancel. 6 1 are 6 5 7. 5 to 5 25. Exactly 25 newspapers. Okay, next my question is x is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of different order files y, z that can form such that y is subset x, z is subset of x, and y is intersection z is empty. That means y intersection z is 5. Here, suppose we have to take in this x set one element. One is belongs to here z, and one is belongs to z also. One is does not belongs to y, and one is does not belongs to z, and one is belongs to y, and one is does not belongs to z, and one is does not belongs to y, and one is belongs to z. Here intersection part is 5. Then don't take this case. Okay, remaining 1, 2, 3 cases. Total how many elements? 5 elements. Then this answer is 3 to the power of 5. My answer is second one. Okay, next my question is an investigator interviewed 100 students to determine their preference for 3 drinks: milk, coffee, and tea. He reported the following. Here 10 students had all the 3 drinks: M, C, T, milk, coffee, and tea. Here 20 had milk and coffee, 30 had coffee and tea, 25 had milk and tea, and 12 had milk only, and 5 had coffee only, and 8 had tea only. How many did not take any of these 3 drinks? See here, we have to take here Venn diagram. This is a milk, this is a coffee, and this is a tea. Milk, coffee, and tea. First we have to take this is a intersection part. Here how many members? 10 members. These are 10 members. All 3 can take milk, coffee, and tea. 10 members. 20 had milk and coffee. Here milk and coffee 10 plus 10 20. And next one is 30 had coffee and tea. Here 10 plus 20 30. Next one 25 had milk and tea. Here 15 plus 10 25. Next 12 had M only, and 5 had coffee only. Next one is 8 had tea only. Total 100 members. 100. Here 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50, 60, 70, 80. Then 80 can subtract. Then answer is 20. Then simply 100 minus 12 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 80 is equal to 100 minus 80 is equal to 20. My answer is option. Okay, my next question is x is equal to set of 4 for n minus 3n minus 1 such that n is belongs to capital natural numbers, and y is equal to 9 into n minus 1 such that n is a natural number where n is the set of natural numbers. Then x union y is equal to. Now I will take this is x. X is 4 power n. 4 power x is 4 power n. First I will take. See here 4 power n is write as 3 plus 1 whole power n. Then this is a binomial expansion is nc0 3 power n plus nc1 3 power n minus 1 plus nc2 3 power n minus 2 up to so on n 3 power 0 means 1. Then this is 4 power n. Then what I will rewrite again. This is nc0 means 1, then 3 power n plus here n, c1 means n, then n into 3 power n minus 1 plus nc2 3 power n minus 2 up to so on ncn means 1. Now this 3 power n add this one and this side 4 power n minus 3 power this is 3 power n 4 for n minus 3 for n. Okay, not this one. Before term is here. Once again I will write here. Here NC, n before is NC n minus 1. Here 3 power 1 plus NC n 3 power 0. 0 means 1. Now this one is right as NC n minus 1 means this is also n 3n. This is 1. Then these two terms stand this side and this one. Now this is 3n minus 1. Now 3 power n plus n into 3 power n minus 1 and NC2 3 power n minus 2 up to so on. Now here I will take common is 3 square, remaining term 3 power n minus 2 plus here n into 3 power n minus 3 plus NC2 3 power n minus 4 up to so on. Then this one is 9 into something, here the multiple of 9. Then this is x is a subset of y. Then x is subset of y means here union is, you can take this y, x union y is equal to y. Because here x is a subset of y, then union is y. My answer is second option. Okay, next problem is A and B two sets such that A intersection x is equal to B intersection x is equal to pi and A union x is equal to B union x for some set x. Then here option 1 is equal to A is equal to B and second option A is equal to x and third option B is equal to x and fourth option A is equal to B is equal to x. Then which option is correct we have to see. First I will take this one is A union x is equal to B union x. Now I will take either side is A intersection. Here A intersection A union x is equal to here A intersection B union x. Now the A intersection A distributed union A intersection x. Here also A intersection B union A intersection x. Now see here A intersection x means what? A intersection means here pi. Here A intersection A means A union pi is equal to here A intersection B. A intersection B. This one A intersection x means here pi. Then A union pi is equal to A and here A intersection B union pi means A intersection B. This is one. Now second one again I will take here A union x is equal to B union x. Now either side I will take B intersection. B intersection A union x is equal to here B intersection B union x. Now they use apply distributive B intersection A union B intersection x is equal to here B intersection B union B intersection x. Now here B intersection x means what? B intersection x means here pi. Then this is A intersection B. Use a commutative law A intersection B union pi. Here B intersection B means B union B intersection pi means pi. Then B is equal to B intersection pi is equal to B and this is A intersection B union pi means A intersection B only. Then this is 2 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 here A intersection B, here also A intersection B, then A is equal to B. My option is 1. Okay, next my question is if universal set is equal to 60, n of A is equal to 35, n of B is equal to 24 and n of A union B whole dash is equal to 10, then find the value of here A intersection B. Here first option 9, second option 8, third option 6 and fourth option is 7. Now n of A union B whole dash we have to take it is here equal to 10. Then this one is rewrite as here mu minus n of A union B. Then it is rewrite as here mu is equal to how much here 60 and this is right as n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to 10. Then here 60 here n of A is equal to 35 n of B is equal to 24 minus n of A intersection B is equal to 10. Now 35 plus 2 24 is equal to 59. 60 minus 59 plus n of A intersection B is equal to 10. then here this is 1, this one standard side, n of A intersection B is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. My option is 1. Okay, next question. If A and B are two sets, then A union B is equal to A intersection B. Here, when it is possible A union B is equal to A intersection B, here two sets. This is one set, and this is another set. Both sets union and intersection is equal. Equal means here A is equal to B only possible. Then simple question. Then we have to write A is equal to B. Next one is which of the following is a null set? First one is this is a singleton set. It has only one element, that's why singleton set. This is not a null set. Here x is that x is greater than 0 and x is less than 0. See here you can take this one is 0 and x is greater than 0 means x greater than 0 and x less than 0. This is not possible, then this is a null set. Here this one is possible or not? This is possible. See here. Here x is that. Here r has given. R has given. Okay, here see here x square is equal to 4 or x is equal to 3. X square is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. Anyone also possible. That's why this is only answer. Here x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X plus r. R means here real number. Then x square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to I and minus I. Then this is a complex numbers. Complex numbers also real numbers. That's why this is also not possible. Then option 2. Next, here A and B are only two sets. A and B are only two sets. Then A union A intersection B is equal to. See here, this is A, this is B. Here A intersection B means this is A intersection B. A, this is B. A intersection this is the common part. Now this is also union in the A. Then what is the answer? Here A, first option. Okay, next question. A set A has 3 elements and another set B has 6 elements. Here, which one is correct? Here, 3 is less than or equal to n of A union B and it's less than 6. This is 4 option as given. See here, A and B. Suppose these two are not a disjoint sets. Not a disjoint sets means here, suppose A is subset of B. A is subset of B means A union B is equal to here B. Then how many elements? Minimum 6 elements. Minimum 6 elements. 6 elements. And maximum is suppose A and B are disjoint sets. Then A union B is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 elements. Then which option is possible? Third option is possible. Next one, see here. Let U be the universal set for A and B. If n of A is equal to 200, n of B is equal to 300, and n of A intersection B is equal to 100, then n of A dash intersection B dash or A complementary intersection B complementary is equal to 300. Prove that n of union is equal to. See here, n of A complementary intersection B complementary. It is rewrite as n of A union B whole dash. This one is rewrite as here this value already given is equal to how much? Don't know. Okay, right. See here this is equal to 300. 300 as given. Then this one is write as mu minus n of A union B is equal to 300. Here n of A union B means here mu minus here this one is write as n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B is equal to 300. Then here nu n of mu is equal to here n of mu minus n of A is equal to how much? N of A is equal to 200 plus n of B is equal to 300. N of A intersection B is equal to 100 is equal to 300. Now n of union is equal to 300. Yeah, this 300, this is 200 plus 300, 500 minus 100, 400. This 400 minus 400 going to that side, then plus 400, then this is 700. N of union is equal to 700. My option is second one. Okay, next question, very simple question. See here, if A is any set, then here this is the properties. Properties means here A union A dash is equal to A, but it is phi assume this is wrong. A union A dash is equal to nu. This is correct. This is correct. Here A intersection A dash is equal to pi. Okay. Next one is see here. 16th one, let A and B are two sets in the universal set. Then A minus B. A minus B. Here A intersection B dash. Second option A dash intersection B dash B. Third option is A intersection B. Fourth one is none of these. This A minus B we can write the set Mendel form means here X such that X belongs to A minus B. Then this one is right as X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Rewrite as again X such that X belongs to A and instead of intersection does not belongs to instead of B complementary. Then option 1 is correct. Next, the set of S is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 12 elements as given. It is to be partitioned into 3 sets A, B, C equal size. Thus, A union B union C is equal to S. And A intersection B is equal to B intersection C is equal to A intersection C is equal to 5. The number of ways to parts here A, B, C here. The number of ways to partition S is. Here suppose here S has n of S is equal to 12 elements. Here total number of sets is 3. Here total 4 sets. 4 sets. Here see here. Suppose A is equal to we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and C is equal to 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 3 distinct sets. Here A intersection B intersection C is equal to 5. Next see here. Suppose A union B union C is equal to we have to union that is yes. Now this one is 12 elements. Total 12 elements 12 ways by here total 4 elements each one 4 elements. Then here 4 elements that means 4 factorial whole cube. The number of sets is 3. That is also 3 factorial. Then my option is 1. Okay, next my question is let A be the set of non-negative integers I. Non-negative integers. S is A is equal to set of non-negative integers and I is the set of integers. B is the set of non-positive integers. E is the set of even integers and B is the set of prime numbers. Then which of the following is correct? We have to check here. A is equal to set of non-negative integers 0 non-negative. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on non-negative. And second one is I is a set of integers. Here 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 up to so on. Next one is B is set of non-positive integer 0 minus 1 minus 2 up to so on. Then E is the set of even integers. Here E is equal to even integers 0 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 4 up to so on. Then which of the following is correct? So here first option we have to check means I minus A. I minus A means here 0 only. Then 0 is here B is not possible. Here 0. Remember this numbers also not there. Next A intersection B you have to take here. A intersection B means here what is the common here 0 only common. Then this is also not possible. Pi as given. 0 is one element is there. Next E intersection pi. E intersection P. P, one more is P. This is P is equal to set of prime numbers. They are set of prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, up to so on. 13, 17, 19, 23, etc. Okay, right here. Next, the intersection point of P and P is equal to 5. Then it is also not possible. Right? Because 2 is here. And this is common. Now we have to take A delta B. A delta B means here A union B minus A intersection B. A union B is equal to here 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 up to so on. Here this is A union B. A intersection B means here only 0. Here 0. Then this one is you have to write here this is I. Then I minus 0. This is both options correct. Okay, next my question is set containing 2n plus 1 elements. The number of subsets of this set containing more than elements is equal to. Here original set containing 2n plus 1 elements. Here the number of subsets containing more than n elements. More than n elements means n plus 1 elements, n plus 2 elements up to so on 2n plus 1 elements. Then you have to take here 2n plus 1 c n plus 1 plus 2n plus 1 c n plus 2 up to so on 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1. See here actually nc0 is equal to ncn. Here also this one 2n plus 1 c 2n plus 1 instead of we have to write here 2n plus 1 c0 also. Then here 2n plus 1 this is n plus 1 instead of n we have to write here. Then this one is 2n plus 1 here this is n minus 1 up to so on this is 2n plus 1 c0. This is rewrite reverse order. Here 2n plus 1 c0, here 2n plus 1 c1 up to so on 2n plus 1 cn. But we know that see here 2n c0, here 2n c1 up to so on 2n is equal to the power of n. Suppose 2n c0, here 2n c1 up to so on 2n c n means here 2 power n by 2. Here this is half, then you have to write here half. This one also write as half 1 plus 1 whole power 2n plus 1. Then here 2 power 1 plus 1 2 power 2n plus 1 by 2. It is rewrite as 2 power 2n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2 power 2n only. My answer is fourth option, 2 power 2n. Okay, next my question, if A is equal to set of x comma y ordered by x comma y such that x square plus y square is equal to 25, B is equal to x comma y, here x square plus 9 y square is equal to 144. Now first we have to take here x square plus y square is equal to 25. This is a circle equation, x square plus y square is equal to 1. This is a pi square, here also pi square you can take this. This is also one type of ellipse, but it is a circle. Then we can write here pi square. This one x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. Next one, second one, we have to take here b. Here x square plus 9y square is equal to 144. Then here x square by 12 square plus y square by 9. How many times? 16 times means 4 square is equal to 1. This is an ellipse. Ellipse means here a is equal to 12 and b is equal to 4. Here a is equal to 5 and b also 5. Then we have to take here this is a is equal to 12. This is plus 12 and this is minus 12. Minus 12. This is plus 12. This is a 4 minus 4. Then you have to take this like ellipse. Next one is x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. And this is minus 5 plus 5 and this is plus 5 and this is minus 5. Then you have to take this is a circle, you have to write circle. Then the common points is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 4 points.